What are you doing? That should be bad. Hey, what's going on, guys? Wolf Howl here, and today I'm going to be tearing down my old friend. Not that old friend. No, he's never going to leave me if you can even see him. You probably can. I don't know, but you're going to want to move for this. But I need to tear down my old friend, my swinging vine. Swung on it a couple of days ago when one of my friends was here and he decided to get on it and it almost fell. And he's like, let me pull it down more. No. Told him no because, well, the way it is, I think a nest is going to come down. Not like a bee's nest or anything, but just a mess of vines is going to come down. I was like, I'm going to come up here with my helmet and take it down. And so he left. He left shortly after that, but I'm here to take it down. I mean, it's going to be fun. You see me trying to do this. Now, please do not try this at home. I have an experience in logging and also doing this as a little kid. I got hurt many times. So far, no broken bones. Right, Z? Yeah. So, you might want to go over here, Bubs. Come, let me get the Ziggy out of the way. Come on, Bubs. Bubs! Come here. Come here. Come here. I don't want you to get hit. Alright, this might take a little bit. Okay, got the Ziggy moved for a short time. Alright, sit. Good. Now it's time to take this thing down. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Hey, here's one now. Stuff is still raining down. Do not look. This might take down my tripod. I just now realized that. It should be fine. Ah! I got my shoulder. Is it? I want to move it over a little bit. Hello. Alright, this used to be on a tree. And there it goes. Everything's breaking. Oh no. I freaking knew I was gonna hit it. Cinder block went rolling down the hills. Ziggy? You okay? It didn't hit him. It just... Ziggy was laying right here though. I don't think it hit him. He didn't go running off too bad. But this is what hit the tripod. Oh man, this is a big mess I gotta clean up now. But yeah, check out my old channel. It's lowercase w capital Howl. H-O-W-E-L-L. Well, I actually swung on this thing, I think 2 times. Over my camera. Yeah. Yeah, just check it out. I'll probably put a link in the description. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed. And I'll see y'all later.